You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, we've seen the market at this very area. This is a red line for Bitcoin at the moment. And then if you come back to the 4-hour chart, we see market move to the upside and come back right here at a very critical support. The same thing on the Bitcoin dominance. We see the market rise a little bit to the upside, which gave rise to Ethereum coming back down again, breaking this very strong support line that we were looking at. And what next are we expecting in the market? If market come back right down, what are we expecting on ETH and BTC? All of this and more in today's video. If you are new to this channel or you've not subscribed to the channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. So let's dive right in here. If you look at this very area, I've been talking about this strong resistance level at this area and this strong support. If we break this very level of strong support, this will send Bitcoin down to $34,000 and $33,000. So if we break this support with a bearish close, we're going to see the market come back right into this area of $33,000 and $34,000 around this very level. It is very, very important that we don't break this level, else market is coming back right down. What you should look out for is a bearish close below this very close around this very area at the moment. If market break below this, then that will send Bitcoin back down to the level of $33,000 and $34,000. So this is very important, guys, because the higher time frame controls what's happened on the lower time frame. Then if you come back right there to the 4-hour chart Bitcoin, if you discover something very important, I was looking at the market pause here and moved to the upside, but the opposite was what's happened around this area. Now market is at this level of support. That is, market have moved down from this level right here to the downside 100%. That means when market move from here to this level and the market come back right down again 100%, what that means is that the buyer are not very strong in the market. That means the bears are very, very strong, because anything that makes market move from this level to this area and then markets move again back down to exact same point where the market moved from in the past also signify weakness in the bulls around this area. That is what I am expecting right now in the market. So a breakdown with a bearish close below this level of support will make Bitcoin to come back right down as well. Now, one thing very important on the 1-day chart I have found out is a little divergence. So if you look at this very area, there is a divergence on this chart. If you look at it very well, from this point where the market is right now, right down, and also from this area, from this very point to the upside, we are seeing a divergence right here on the chart, on the 1-hour chart at the moment. So this also means that markets have capacity of going back up a little bit. This is in form of a retracement. So if you are taking this trade, which I will also give in a Telegram group, is that this is a counter trend trading. So we don't expect the market to move drastically to the upside. So this is a divergence, which indicates that the market is going to move up immediately or very, very soon. So this is what I am looking out for on BTC USDT 4-hour chart at the moment. If market break out on this very area, then that means market is going to go back right down, and we should expect the market to move up a little bit as a result of divergence we are seeing on the 1-hour chart. ETH right here, I talk about a breakout on this very support that is not healthy for market to break on this very support, and that's exactly the thing we are seeing right now, a breakout with a close that is below this very close around this area. So what that means is that market have capacity right now of coming back down into this level of strong support. If you look at this very area of strong support right here, this is where the market moved from to the upside, and since then market have not created a high that is higher than this very high. That also means that market have capacity right now of coming back into this level of support where the market moved from in the past to the upside. And if we see the market come back into this area, markets have capacity of going back up in form of a retracement before the next continuation. What I mean is this, that markets have capacity of coming back into this area and then retrace a little bit to the upside before we can see the market come back down again. Anything that makes the market to cut across this very area of strong support means that market is going to go back right down drastically, like I talk about, to this area of $2,000 level at the moment. So this is what I am looking out for on ETH USDT 1-day chart. ETH USDT 4-hour chart right here, we've seen the market move out of this very area of support a little bit to the upside, and this move is very sluggish, which means that the boost that moved the market from here to the upside, they're no longer strong, and that indicates that market is going to go down. Now market goes down. Not only that, if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, market was going up, so we expect Ethereum to actually come back to the downside, although Bitcoin was doing the same. Now one thing you have to understand here is that if market come back to this area, market have capacity of going back up from this level in this very area where the market moved up from in the past. So what I am expecting right now in relation to the Bitcoin dominance is, if the market continue right down and break this area to the downside, then we are going to see the market on ETH come back to the downside, and also on BTC it will come back right down as well. Now if the market on Bitcoin dominance continue to consolidate within this area, or we see a range within this level, that means if markets go down and go up from here and begin to form a range around this level, then that also means that Bitcoin will go up very, very fast, and Ethereum will also go up as well. So this is what I am expecting on ETH right now. If the market moves down a little bit, the market is going to go back up in form of a retracement before a continuation to the downside. And if you look at the Bitcoin dominance very well, I was talking about this very area of strong support, and this area of strong support, that since we have resistance here, we have resistance here, we have resistance here, that could potentially give us a strong support at this very level. And that's the exact same thing we are seeing right now. After this, you see the market move right up, and then market is at this point right now. What I am expecting on the Bitcoin dominance is market to come back right down to this very area, and if market cut across this very area of support, that will send the market back down to this very level of strong support again. So it is very important for us to understand that if market break this level, it's going to be very bad for Bitcoin, and also it's going to be very bad for ETH at the moment. So the dump in the market continues at the moment. Any move you see to the upside on ETH and on Bitcoin is just a temporary move. Until we see the market break certain level here, then that means we are still in a downtrend. So what do you think about ETH right now? Are we going to see the market come back right down into this area of support? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. And also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. And then if you want to enroll for the Remit intensive cryptocurrency course and mentorship program, please check the contact in the description and reach out to us immediately. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.